and Julia Sondu, showing you where development is happening. Please come and join us.
But I'll tell you one thing. All the expatriates never wanted to transfer any technology. They were not ready to transfer the technology. We had to forcefully take over the technology from them.
Proforce Limited was incorporated in 2008 as a total defense solution provider specialized in armored vehicles and personal protection. The company's focus is on the delivery of confidence in protective mobility. We have developed a vibrant market for security and mobile protective products within Nigeria and Africa. Proforce has exploited its deep technical know-how to produce outstanding armored products for government agencies, corporate bodies, diplomatic communities and the private sector within Nigeria and Africa. Proforce has utilized its superior craftsmanship to producing outstanding products using only internationally certified ballistic standard materials, Ken Level B7, NIJIV, Ken B6, NIJ3, and military standards STANAG 4569 Level 2 halves A, 2B. Proforce manufactures products portfolio include the following: Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, Mine Resistant Ambush Protected Vehicle, MRAP, Armored Cash in Transit Vehicle, Bullion Vans, Armored Boats, Armored SUVs and other civilian armored vehicles, ballistic helmets and vests, all defense products for the military and law enforcement agencies, and auto service. Listen to how we interviewed Adi Ogundayan, CEO of Proforce Defense Limited, on the company's achievements in manufacturing defense vehicles, its staffing solutions, and its work to modernize the Nigerian armed forces. Our interview with Adi Ogundayan, CEO of Proforce Defense Limited, started as follows. What have been the main achievements of the company since 2008? And he answered, Proforce was established in 2008 as a defense solutions provider. It has grown from strength to strength and we have continuously collaborated with the public sector as our main client. We have been able to export our services to other governments such as Rwanda, Central African Republic, and South Sudan. Our vehicles are of international standard, and we have a wide range of armored vehicles. One of our strengths is our partnership with experts all over the world. With all this knowledge, we built our own facility in Nigeria to produce armored personnel carriers and other military-grade apparatus. We recently signed an MOU with the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria to start producing fighter jets, warships, drones, armored aerial vehicles, and mine-resistant ambush personnel carriers too. We started with mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicles, which have a gross vehicle weight of 19 tons each. President Muhammadu Buhari wants the military industry to take off immediately. Hence, Proforce is partnering with the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria to push that forward. Immediately, when I asked, "Where did you get the knowledge to manufacture the armored vehicles?" he turned to his right position and collected a black wireless microphone from one of our female journalists who was standing there and replied as follows.
Before we started this company, even in the early days, I can tell you one thing. Most of the armoring companies all over the world, virtually all of them, always told us that we cannot do it. They told us point blank that you are Nigerians and you cannot achieve any success. Today, we only have 3 expatriates working here. But I'll tell you one thing. All the expatriates never wanted to transfer any technology. They were not ready to transfer the technology. We had to forcefully take over the technology from them. Because, if I can remember very well, they never allowed Nigerians to do the intricacies, the intricate parts of the work. They were always doing the job. And then they now hand over to Nigerians to do the finishing and everything. They never allowed Nigerians. But one way or the other, the Nigerians proved to them that they were even better than them. Not only better than them, more knowledgeable, full of wisdom, much more hardworking, And Nigerians are the ones that have designed what we have today. So, no country transfers technology. That is what we realized.
I asked, how would you describe the Proforce defense manufacturing facilities? He answered, we have a facility where we build armored personnel carriers, APCs, in Ogun State, and we produce about 40 vehicles per month, or a total of around 480 vehicles a year. A second facility in Port Harcourt produces about 15 vehicles per month. We have another facility that we are putting together in Abuja and another in Katsina, with which we are collaborating with the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria to produce about 20 vehicles per month. I asked again, how do you train and retain your staff and foster innovation? Ogundayan replied, we send some of our staff abroad for training. We have a challenge with human capital, but all we need to do is continue to change hands until we get the right set of people. Expatriates should not be the solution, because after having them for 2 years they typically want to leave. Also, if a company pays salaries in dollars, the cost compared to our Nigerian workforce is high. Instead, we prefer to train Nigerians well and bring down costs. In terms of R&D, this is the backbone of the company. We have an R&D unit, and that is completely devoted to innovation. For example, we looked at new designs for APCs and continue to invest a certain percentage of our profits every year in R&D. I asked, how does Proforce Defense contribute to the modernization of Nigeria's armed forces? He said, we are a versatile company and have worked hard to include the armed forces of Nigeria in the majority of the things we do. We have regular interactions and incorporate a number of the things from their own practical experience. For example, the Nigerian armed forces are at risk of overheating due to the high temperatures in the northeast. APCs from abroad sometimes cannot cope with the heat and run into problems with their tires. We have been able to incorporate solutions to these challenges into our own vehicles and come up with a truly Nigerian vehicle. My last question was, how would you describe the business environment for international investors looking to come to Nigeria? He replied, the business environment in Nigeria is encouraging. Sometimes what we see and read on the news is only one side of the coin. Most Nigerians understand that the news from this country is often bad news, and the opportunities and advantages are never publicized. It is the place to be because there are many opportunities in Nigeria. Chief of Defense Staff Nigeria commissions PF Viper mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicles produced by Proforce at the Chief of Army Staff Annual (COAS) conference in Abuja. The PF Viper version of the now combat-proven ARA, Thunder, mine resistance and ambush protected vehicle. The ARA or Thunder is a 17-ton mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP) vehicle designed to provide ultimate protection for high-degree threats. The PF Viper MRAP can be deployed for various tactical missions in support of the military, counter-terrorism and police duties. The PF Viper Tactical Mobility Vehicle will be powered by a 6.7 LV 8,330 horsepower diesel engine capable of delivering 3,300 RPM at a speed of 120 kilometers. For troops protection, the PF Viper offers a 360-degree Stanek 4569 Level 1 ballistic and blast protection. The vehicle can carry 9 passengers, including a driver and a commander. The crew compartment is protected with up to Ken level BR6 to BR7 armor. Proforce will fit the new PF Viper with a 6-speed automatic transmission, 4-well drive, 7,000 kilograms curb weight, and a 1,500 kilogram of payload. It is 6,479 millimeters in length, 2,450 millimeters in width, and 300 millimeters in ground clearance. Proforce is a total defense solution provider specialized in armored vehicles and personal protection. The company's focus is on the delivery of confidence in protective mobility. The company have developed a vibrant market for security and mobile protective products within Nigeria and Africa. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog. Thank you.